Oh my god, dude, Christopher keeps blowing up my freaking phone. But this is way more important, so shall we focus back? So... Who you think you're talking to? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or should I say makeup tutorial. Today I created this. Honestly, I don't even know what the hell I created. I just did it, like I just winged it. What I wanted to tell you guys is these lashes are so freaking good. I got it from a company called LASH, and this is in the style Garam Masala. This is like a really big thing for me because honestly, like, I'm not like a big ass like makeup junkie. I only wear like Ardell and like MAC lashes, you know. I don't really like branch out to lashes. Oh, and the other day I literally... Can I just take this moment and apologize to you guys on how many times I said like in this whole entire ass clip? Like, I'm so sorry. Bought like Lily lashes. Those are fucking bomb too. But back to this. This is called Lash Dash, and I used this in this tutorial. And what this is actually, this is from a company all the way from Toronto. This lady, she makes it. She's like so freaking awesome because the names of these lashes is to die for. Like the one I'm wearing right now is called Garam Masala, and she is based in Toronto. So the packaging is super cute. This is what the packaging looks like. Pull it and then you have your lashes in there. There is a discount code, so the discount code is Suneha 10. I'll just post it somewhere over here. Yeah, so you get 10% off. You could definitely try these lashes out and it's really good. I really like it. So yeah, let's just get on with the tutorial. To start off this makeup tutorial, I'm going to be using moisturizer on my lips because, you know, it's winter time and you can't have your lips looking all crusty and whatever. Next, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty primer and just applying that all over my face. I'm taking my Giorgio Armani foundation, which I haven't used in hella long, so I figured I should just pick it up and use it. And I'm just applying that all over my face. All the colors and details will always be linked in the description box down below. Next, I'm taking the MAC Painterly Paint Pot and I'm just applying that all over my eyes as a primer like always. I had already filled in my eyebrows prior to this makeup tutorial, but I'm just taking the Benefit Precisely Brow in the color 5 and I'm just going over whatever looks weird and whatnot. So instead of the Drake heads, I don't know if you guys noticed in the last video, I brought out Christopher to point out what colors I'm using. But anyways, I'm taking the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette and I'm taking that light brown color and just buffing that into my crease for a transition color. Then I'm taking that purple color and just building that up. I honestly wasn't planning what type of makeup look I was doing. I just winged it like I mentioned earlier. Now I'm just taking that white shade and just putting that on my brow bone, and that has been my favorite go-to brow bone highlighting whatever thingy it's called, and I'm gonna be so sad when I hit pan. Now I'm just taking that bright ass orange color and I'm just putting that in my crease because I felt like I had no type of definition whatsoever. So just buffing that right into my crease and then taking that darker color and trying to smoke it out as a winged liner, but it just wasn't working out. You'll see later like what I was doing. I honestly, like I just said, I was just winging the whole entire thing. Lately I've been into a lot of shimmers, so I picked up this Tarte palette that I received in my Gen Beauty package when I went. So I don't even know what this palette is called, but I'll link it below. But I'm just taking my finger and putting that all over my lid. And then see, I just went back with that dark color and I started smoking it out, and then I started creating a cat eye. But as you guys could see, it's pretty self-explanatory. I feel like I was just blending it out a lot, so this is just me hella blending. And as I'm blending, I'm still trying to figure out how this eye look is gonna look. And it didn't turn out that bad, but I feel like I was creating one type of look and then I just ended up to another, but it's okay because I would still wear it. Oh wait, what am I doing? Oh wait, so now I'm just taking that dark color again and just bringing it to the inner corner, kind of bringing it into the crease and deepening it up. I hope that hella makes sense, because that's exactly what I'm doing. And I'm taking that pigment back again and just making it more vibrant on my eyelid, kind of like a wet look. Now I'm taking roller lash and just putting that on my eyelashes, prepping for my falsies. Now I'm just taking my concealer, which is the Tarte Shape Tape. Now my whole face routine and my whole contour routine is pretty much the same. Now I'm just dragging the eyeliner more towards my bottom lash line just to create more of a definition. And then I'm taking the red color from the palette, as you can see, my bebe is pointing it out. And I'm just setting the eyeliner in place. Now I just took the same pigment that I put on my eyelid and I just dragged it down to my inner corner. And then now I'm just contouring my face with this L'Oreal powder, and I just used it to contour my whole face. And like Loki bronze, you know what I mean? Now I'm taking this powder foundation by Urban Decay and I'm just putting that on where I really want to like define my cheekbones. Now I'm just taking that same fluffy brush that I used to bronze to blend everything out. And now everyone knows the whole makeup look is not complete without a snatched nose, so definitely added in that nose contour and underneath the lips just to warm everything up. Now I'm taking the new mascara by Benefit and I'm just putting that on my lower lashes, and honestly, let me just tell you, I freaking love that mascara. That's like my everyday mascara. Now I'm taking What's Up by Benefit and just doing a little cream contour because I thought I'd switch it up a little bit. I feel like I always show you guys the same makeup products that I use like all the time throughout all my videos, so I'm trying to utilize everything that I have. Now I'm just taking my lip cheat by Charlotte Tilbury. Shout out to my babe for buying me this. And I'm just contouring my lips, and then for my lipstick I'm actually using Abstract by Urban Decay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!